Hello students, let's get on with the story on responsibility. Yesterday actually I taught you the first stanza of the story. In that stanza actually the poet was first telling you that there is always in our life it happens that we always miss something to do, and it is actually our responsibility. First it asks the question that it's whose responsibility to do that, but ultimately the stanza answers that it is actually our responsibility to carry out the task. To carry out the task means to do a particular job. That's what it means. So now students, let's continue and read the second stanza of the poem on responsibility, which teaches you to be responsible. Actually, anybody could have told you that. Everybody knew that this was something somebody would surely have to do. Nobody was unwilling. Anybody had the ability, but nobody believed that it was. Their responsibility. So now, student, it comes to that. There are many things, such as if you want to keeping a things on a proper place. Everyone in the house can do that, but no one does that. Everyone thinks that it is her duty, it is his duty to do that. She will keep it there, he will keep it there. Everybody thinks that everybody has the ability to do that job, but nobody actually does that because nobody take the responsibility of doing that. No one is unwilling. Everyone is it not so that no one wants to do that? That's not also the case, but still no one is ready to take the responsibility. When it comes to taking responsibility, we are so hesitant. We are not ready, we are not eager to take responsibility. While as a responsible person or being successful person in future, being materialistically successful, being economically successful, it is must for you to be responsible. Whatever job is given to you, whatever you are taking whatever you are taking in your position, that you will do that. You must be responsible for doing that. That's what it is teaching you. You should not have to left to someone else. Anybody could tell you that. Everybody knew that this is something that somebody will surely have to do. It's not about anybody, somebody, and everybody. It's about you. It's not about just thrusting the responsibility and just avoiding something to do yourself and just trying to pass it to someone else. That's not the case. The words like I don't know, he would be knowing, someone would have kept that thing there, everybody would have done that. Nobody actually did that. What's like these unknown in pronouns, this indefinite pronouns causes the problem. It is always you who should take the responsibility. Do not left anything on others. That's what the the stanza 2 is telling you, that do not left on anybody else. Don't take anybody for anyone else. Don't leave anything for anybody else. Just take the responsibility yourself. That's what this whole poem is about, that. And this stanza is again telling you about do not leave anything upon others. You should do yourself. You should take the responsibility yourself.